things to do.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with some more Christmas cards that I made and a small haul. But here are some of the Christmas cards I've been making. This is another one of them. Put a snowflake in the background and then the sleigh rides. I put some Nuvo drops on it, green and red. And then I made this one. I put some glossy accents on the stump of wood so that it looks like ice. And then the Nuvo drops. This one has the little wreath on it. This will be one that I'll just be giving to someone locally because it would cost a lot to mail this. But it has the joy on it, a flag, and then I used the pearls and some Nuvo drops to kind of mimic the berries that are in the wreath. And then I made this one with the Christmas tree, a couple of snowflakes in the background, and I added the pearls as ornaments on the tree, and then some little glossy accents to kind of look like the like icy, if you can see that. I don't know if you can or not. But then so those are the cards that I made. And then I had some rewards to use at Michael's, so I just ordered them online, picked them up in the store. These sentiments, die cuts, joy, let it snow, happy holidays, and merry and bright. And you get, I think, 4 of each one, 16 pieces. And these were on sale, gosh, I think they were 40% off. And then I used my rewards. And then I thought I would use these snowflakes. I like to use them as like a background in some of my cards and such, or you can use them for embellishments. These were also on sale, 40% off. And you get 24 pieces, so you get 8 of each one. And then this is the last thing that I got there, but this was also on sale. And this is the Recollections Christmas Noel Peppermint Stripe. You get 24 sheets, and it is double-sided. Let me, so I can flip through real quick. So I think you get 2 of each patterned paper. Some cut-aparts. So that is a cute pad of paper that I will use for making more cards. And then I picked these up from Amazon. I can't even remember how much they were, but I will link them down below. They are, if I can show you. Well, I'm going to have to break into them anyways if I can't get them out. But they are just little square foam tape. But I needed some more for, just a little bigger for my cards and such. And you get quite a few. I know it's it's a little over 1,000. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you get 12 sheets. So there are those. And I will link them down below in the description. And then the last thing I have is my cute little foil subscription from SlO Planning. And it is Christmas themed this time, with the red foil, which I love. So first things is she sent some red foiled little, oh, what is it called? Washi. And then we got some winter freebies. That one was from Sassy Apple, Cheerful Planner Girl, and then this is SlO Planning's freebie. And we got some, this one says, I'm not drunk, I'm full of holiday spirit. We got one that says it's beginning to cost a lot like Christmas. Isn't that the truth? A red foiled weekend banner. And then here is the first sheet with all of the headers. And then we got a sheet of boxes. And then she always gives us the foiled scripts that kind of go with the season. Then we got some days of the week. And then some little icons. Or deco, I guess you could say. No, there's some icons in there. So that is my little haul, Christmas cards, and my SlO Planning Foil Subscription. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And these will be linked in the description. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Hit that little bell so that you get notified of when I upload new content. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.